Story time. A couple years ago, when I had the Electric Glide Standard, I bought a 2-up seat for it off of Facebook Marketplace. That's you right there. Which I never did put on the Electric Glide Standard. And along with it came backrest. That's what it came with. And so I went out and found some bolts that match. And I have no instructions and really no idea how this works. So I'm going to do the right thing and try and figure it out. So, yeah, this should be fun. Well, I'm guessing the first thing I need to do is get the seat off. Assuming it's like every other bike I've seen. We gotta... Okay, I gotta screw back. Can we get in there? Yeah, down, screw back there. And... yeah. That off, so looks like big Phillips screwdriver time. Okay, how tight is this gonna be? Oh, not hardly even tight. I don't think I've been under here yet. Okay, how does this work? Oh, that's impressive. Not. So it looks like the top part mounts up here. Bottom part probably mounts down here. I don't even know if this bracket fits this bike. And it looks like to get access to put the nuts on, I'm going to need behind here. So I think I gotta get the body control module out of the way. So there's torque bits there. Well, let's get smart. It's probably going to be best to pull the main fuse. Then I can unplug some stuff, not worry about it. Okay, main fuse is removed. Now let's see what we can do to... I have been under this. That's right, I put these tombstone taillights on. Okay, get that out of the way. I might just be able to get those where it is. Locked in there. I guess next step's to figure out where this goes and how this goes. Perfect. And great. That's a non-expanded nutsert. They work better when they stay in the hole. Joy, 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 joy. Can't imagine it's even very tight. Nope. Let's see if we can put a nutsert in. I better figure out for sure which hole it goes in. It's looking like this close one. Yep. Everything's a hammer. Didn't want to feel that. Okay. Hey, we're in business here. Let's see if we can get this back in there. Kind of feeling I'm gonna wish I already had this cable installed. What? I got faith in you. Oh, oh. Easy one's good. say the easy one, because on the other one, this wee little nut has to slide up behind the cable. I'll try this laying on my back just to give my knees a rest.
One eternity later.
What are we looking at here? There it is. Finally got it in. So now it's just a matter of routing this cable. Some wire ties. Okay. Expect to see it spark. Oh, yeah, I like that. $64,000 question. Fit with my back seat bag. The answer to that would be probably not very well. I think that could work. And if it doesn't, pull the backrest off. Yeah, so it turns out you can install these without any instructions. It's probably a lot harder the way I did it. So if you got it new, by all means use the instructions. If you didn't, I hope this kind of helps you out. Maybe you learned how not to do it. But I really appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time. I always wanted my very own ejection seat.